Hello friends of Tropical Realty. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I am actually in our brand new office here in Bayahibe in the Dominican Republic. And for those of you who don't know, our office is located right in the middle of the hottest, newest neighborhood. And actually, I'm going to tell you how that worked out. Okay. So I'm going to show you something really cool, but a lot of people have asked me how we got into this spot, so this might be a perfect time to tell you. So years ago, my husband and I decided to invest in a plot of land here in Bayahibe. We wanted to have our own plot because we had this dream of eventually, a few years down the line, building our own home, designing it the way we want, you know, just making everything ours, and building our own home here in Bayahibe. So years ago, we bought this plot. Everyone told us we were crazy because supposedly it was in the middle of nowhere and there was no paved roads or anything. And everyone's like, oh my God, you're so crazy. Why would you buy that plot of land? So we bought the plot of land, and that was about 3 years ago, and look where we are now. So we decided to not build our own home on this particular plot of land, but use this for our office because we are right smack in the middle of all these amazing projects. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's walk outside. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna bring you along with me. We are located in this new neighborhood that they call Medellin here in Bayahibe. And I'm gonna show you, we have in front of us, isn't that cool? That's my office, it's gorgeous. Guys, when you come down, please come by and visit me. I make coffee daily. I make a mean cup of coffee and we can sit down and chat. Anyway, so right in front of us, you'll see one of the construction sites. That is Caribbean Rose. That is a project here in Bayahibe. Right next to us, this is called El Encanto. Also a project here. Let me walk out. And behind our office, this is fun. This is not what I was gonna do on this video, but whatever. This right back here that has the crane, this is actually Mirador Bayahibe. This is one of the projects also here in Bayahibe. It has this big crane, so you can always find me because we're right in front of the crane. And then you can see some trucks over here, some construction trucks behind me over here in this plot. And that is where they are building the new project Palm. So that is in construction there. And then right down the road, which I'm not gonna walk all the way out just to the road, but right down this road, all the way down here, there are some other projects. Pearl Project, Marina Residence, Linid. It's amazing. There's so much going on in this neighborhood. You would have never thought that 3 years ago, this neighborhood would be like this. So it's very exciting. So thankfully we did take the leap of faith and we bought the plot of land. Things change, obviously. We haven't built our house here, but we built the office and we're super happy with it. And we're going to be purchasing a different plot of land for our house, to build our own house. So, obviously we're pretty good at this, so if you need suggestions of where you should purchase either for a business or you should purchase for your house or maybe just to grab up some plot of lands for investment, you know who to talk to. Everyone said, you're crazy, and look how it worked out. So it worked out pretty beautifully, thank God. So yeah, so this is our office, and as you can see, it was made in containers. It's a really cool design. So like I said, if you're down here in person, definitely come check it out. I've done videos inside so you guys can see what it looks like. We did a container idea and I'm in love. It's my second home, obviously. I'm here all the time. So it has to be something that I love and I'm in love. Anyway, with that being said, we're in the middle of this amazing neighborhood with all these great new projects. And one of the things I wanted to show you today is a new project. So I was testing out my new TV. I have this TV, I do like a screencast thing so I can show clients when they come here in person, different projects that we have and go over details. So I was testing it out, making sure everything is looking nicely, and I thought, oh my God, I haven't presented this project yet. I typically go to the plot of land and show you, but I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna show you part of the brochure. There you go. So a lot of clients know this project in sense of the design. There's a sister project which is completely sold out. Obviously, it's called Pearl. The Pearl project is sold out, and people just loved the design. It was a smaller concept, a more boutique concept, and it was like super Caribbean, the feel, right? So it had like curves and palm trees. It just felt very Caribbean and luxury Caribbean. It was gorgeous. So of course, since they were so successful with that project, they decided to have a sister project, and it's literally right next door. So I have the brochure here, and I was checking it out, because here there are 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and these gorgeous loft. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can see via the camera, if you can see like the amazing look this has, all open here, and this basically 2-floor open area here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is the neighborhood, so you can see. Let me see if I can pull. It looks like I have a little bit of a, maybe have, I wonder if you guys can see that well enough. So basically this is Bayahibe, and this is a new neighborhood where I am, and we're right behind the Bayahibe Public Beach. So it's an amazing location, and the architecture, the design of this place is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna tell you something, and I'll scroll through the pictures so you guys can kind of see as I'm talking. There are definitely properties here that will have ocean view. You'll be walking distance to the ocean, probably about 10 minutes walking distance to the ocean. Most people here use anyway mopeds and golf carts, so those are super popular. You can definitely get a moped or a golf cart. If you don't want to buy your own because you're only going to be here on vacation, you can definitely rent it for the time that you're going to be here. And yeah, this property is pet friendly and Airbnb friendly. And you see this really cool design, has like all these openings, and they just use nature, the palm trees, and it's just so green and Caribbean feel. It's absolutely gorgeous. What I was gonna say is one of my favorite things about working with this particular developer, because this is also very important. It's not just the design, it's also trusting the developer and having a really good relationship with the developer, knowing that you're going to be handed in exactly what you see. So this developer has really obviously extensive experience, and not only that, but one thing I love about them is that they treat their projects as if it's like their own baby. They're only going to build something that they would want to either invest in or own property in. And they do. In the projects they do, they own a unit. So it's something that they would want to live in, they would want to have as an investment. And they have such an attention to detail. It's amazing. And they also basically treat all of the clients who decide to invest with them as their future neighbors, their future families. So whenever I get together with these developers and I take clients with me, I love to do, if you live far away, I love to do Zoom calls with the developer so that you can at least meet them on video camera. And then if you're here in Bayahibe in person, I always try and get an appointment for you guys to go and get to know the developer, get to walk maybe one of the projects that they've been working on so you can see how they do their construction. And I must say that it is always a pleasure to meet up with these developers. They're so nice. This particular developers, they're so nice. Like I said, they have such an attention to detail. And the building where they're doing the construction now is so impressive. They have a very clean and organized construction site and entranceway. It's very impressive, because the way some people do construction is just, obviously it's a construction site, so they don't need to have it gorgeous, but they have this attention to detail where everything is very organized. And I just think it says a lot about the builder when it's like that. So anyway, basically these units, they do not come furnished, but they do come linea blanca. Remember, linea blanca is appliances included. So they do have the appliances included. Has a very large pool, as you can see in these pictures, has a very large pool, has lobby and reception area. It also has an outdoor gazebo, bar, barbecue area. You also have underground parking. There's 3 buildings basically, and those 3 buildings have the elevators. There's also a gym and 24/7 security. Oh, that's the gazebo area. Isn't that gorgeous? this gazebo area, barbecue grilling area. It's absolutely gorgeous. So there's tons of amenities. Like I said, it's right next to their sister project. It's in this neighborhood, which is the new hot neighborhood here. It is a quiet and relaxed neighborhood. It's behind the Bayahibe public beach area, walking distance or golf cart ride away or moped ride away. Airbnb friendly and pet friendly. Prices here start at about 106,000. Like I said, there's the 1-bedroom option. If you guys want more details, I can send you this actual brochure. I have it in English and in Spanish. I can send you the brochure. I can send you the price list and availability, and I can send you any other details. And like I said, I really love getting my clients together with the builder so you can get to know them. So we can also do either a Zoom call so you guys can get to know me, a Zoom call to get to know the developer, and to ask any questions that you have. You guys can ask me any questions that you have about real estate investing, your different options, and then if you choose, for example, oh, I love this project, I want to invest here, then we do a Zoom call with the developer so that you can ask them any questions as well, about their other developments, about materials, whatever you need to feel even more, trusting and excited about your investment. And that's how we do it. So anyway, this video is long enough, so I'm going to cut it off there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Get in touch with me. My contact information is always below in the description and in the comments. And that's about it. So thank you so much. Megan Alfonseca here from Tropical Realty, and I will see you guys for the next one.